Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to give you 4 good hacks to increase the nutrition in your home cooked foods by 40 to 50%. So I'm not going to change everything you do, just a few small details. Health hack number 1. The oils and the fats you use while cooking and how much should you use. Ideally, if you use vegetable oils, use the ones that are not refined and not processed. The most popular cooking oils today, irrespective of what the carton says or what the advertisement says, they are heavily processed and heavily hydrogenated. I personally use ghee or unprocessed coconut oil. You can use unprocessed mustard oil, you can use butter. Use the right type of fats to cook. Now, one of the ways I use less oil or make sure my oil in my pan doesn't reach smoking point, and I'll tell you why that's important, is I first add the garlic and the onion without the oil, and when it's a little cooked or when the pan is hot enough, that's when I put my oils. Now, if you noticed, I used just 1 teaspoon oil. Now, that's why it is really important to use the right cookware. If you try to do this in really thin or cheap cookware, it burns. You need more oil. Use the right cookware, preferably a high quality stainless steel cookware. And one of the benefits is you would use less oil while cooking because it doesn't burn easily, and you will also use less water while cooking. Let's speak about oils now. Many a times you will hear that you don't put too much oil in your cooking, oil is bad, fats are bad. Fats are actually good for you. When you heat up oil way past its smoking point, the structure of the fats start to break down. This can cause the formation of really harmful free radicals, and at that point the oil start to lose their nutritional benefit. And this goes perfectly with my philosophy of maintain the colors in the vegetable. Do not overcook your food, especially your vegetables. Health hack number 2, count the colors. Be mindful when you are cooking. Even if you have somebody else who is cooking, be mindful about the colors on your plate. It's not only about eating vegetables, it's about eating a variety of vegetables. Different colors in different vegetables have different phytonutrients, and that's why we need to eat the colorful ones. When we eat the same ones, same type of vegetable, you end up getting only that group of nutrients, and you and I need a variety of nutrients. I've just added some tofu to this. You can add, paneer, you can add some chicken if you like, and you can put whatever spices you want. I'm going to just I put some Chinese soya sauce, and I put some pepper and some salt. You can make it the way you want. Now I'm adding the rest of the vegetables. I just happen to have 3 today with me, so I'm just going to have 3 colors in my dish today. And notice I haven't added any water yet. Look, there's no water in my dish. Health hack number 3 is use little or no water and cook on low flame. Now, I haven't added water yet, and this is how much water I will add to my dish. Just a tablespoon. That's all your vegetables need is a tablespoon of water, and it will cook in a few minutes. Why is it important not to use less water when you cook your veggies? Water-soluble vitamins like vitamin B, vitamin C, and folates actually leach out of the vegetables when there is too much water in the dish. Health hack number 4, use the right cookware. 80 to 90%, we all know that aluminum and non-stick is not good for health. It's not good. but still 80 to 90% of people, at least in India, use aluminum. I won't talk about why you shouldn't use it, but all I would say is what should you use? So use a quality stainless steel. I've been using this stainless steel cookware for the past 14 years. Now it also becomes economical because I don't have to keep buying it again and again. Also, it helps me with my health because I use less water, less oil when I cook my dishes, and I cook with on low flame. So it's slow cooked and it is cooked till its right texture and right nutrition is intact. So I hope these 4 hacks have helped you. They are simple hacks but easy to remember and easy to implement in your kitchen. If this video is helpful, hit the share button and share it with a friend.